Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you're an administrator and that all files are saved. This prevents data loss when Windows restarts. Next, open Settings, then System and Recovery, or press and hold Shift while clicking Restart from the Start menu to jump directly into the recovery environment. Once you see the recovery options, choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then Startup Settings. This sequence exposes the Safe Mode toggle, so you can change boot behavior safely and predictably. Once Startup Settings loads, click Restart to reboot into the menu of boot options. This is where you actively choose how Windows will start. When the menu appears, use the numeric keys or function keys. 4 starts plain safe mode, 5 includes networking so you can access the internet, and 6 starts with the command prompt for advanced troubleshooting. Make sure to wait. Windows will load only essential drivers and services, which is why safe mode helps isolate driver and software conflicts. In safe mode, you can run antivirus scans, uninstall drivers, or disable startup apps to find the root cause. This is where targeted fixes are safest because fewer processes run. Once you complete repairs, restart normally via Start Power, Restart to boot back into standard Windows. If Windows keeps booting into safe mode, open emsconfig to disable safe boot or use a recovery USB to repair the boot configuration. This key troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.